South Korea is the worldwide leader in terms of internet penetration rate and internet speed, and the secret of competitiveness is based on the FTTH infrastructure, which already installed throughout every corner of Korea. The technology of Korea Optron Corporation is found everywhere through the fiber communication lines connected from the telecom companies into all homes. If the installation section is long, we have ensured the convenience and economy of construction by cutting in the middle and welding the optical fibers in the fiber optic enclosure. The fiber optic enclosure is divided into a dome type, which is largely used for burials, and an aerial type, which is mainly installed on telephone poles. The terminal box installed on the telephone pole of the end customer is equipped with an optical splitter to distribute the optical signal. An optical splitter divides a single optical signal into 2 to 64 channels, making it available to many customers. The optical signal divided from the terminal box is connected to the customer's end terminal, or ONT, through the optical connector. The Field Assembly Optical Connector is terminated in the field, and it does not have limitations of cable length. The connectors can be easily assembled by drilling a small hole into which only the communication line can be inserted. Mini Drop Connector is a complete type connector of which the inlet part is half assembled. It is an optical connector that can be led into a home by drilling a small hole and connected by easily assembling the outside of the connector on the inlet terminal. Therefore, the products of Korea Optron Corporation are gaining a competitive edge in the global market in cooperation with internet providers around the world, including the top 3 telecom companies of Korea, which are world-class. With the world's best technology, we are moving forward with our customer.